I'm part of the urban unit. I'm an urban designer. I'm also the GIS and parametric specialist. We are a team that is currently growing. We all have very different backgrounds and we all try to bring different expertise with this ambition of sharing the knowledge and bringing all this collaboration to make the world a better place. Then when we got here through our projects and through this drive for innovation and this future-proof kind of aspiration in our projects. Tutor that goes from the students and helps them find and build up this narrative from the concept definition and building up a brief all the way to trying to develop a solid framework for their project. So trying to go through these design models and get to a place where the project is solid enough and developed enough that then we can delve into all these technical consultancies that are going to be fundamental in this Master of Architecture. For us, the Amsterdam Lab is the perfect opportunity for the students to have a real-life experience of what are the workflows within a professional office. Also because it's an international office and we have people from very different backgrounds and bringing up very different skill sets, we have the opportunity to come in contact with a lot of specialists from within the organization, but also to set up in contact with other consultancies or people that we can collaborate with. So it gives the students the opportunity to see what is the process of design and what is it that we can approach at different skills.